Hey everyone. No, wait a second. Hey everyone. Welcome to my new video about the perfect formula to build this Chemist lamp. Wait, that's a little bit too dark. Now we're talking. So in this video I'm gonna go through the whole process of me building this lamp, consisting out of a chemical glass, like the ones that they're using to mix stuff, a LED light bulb, a E14 light socket, lamp socket, a dimmer, a nice cable, as well as some walnut that I mitered on all of the corners as well as on the lid, so that there's no end grain visible, which gives a very nice look. I finished everything with Rubio oil to see pure, and that's about it. Have fun with the video. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you're also getting inspired by building one yourself. I would be really curious to see different types of Chemist lamps as well, with maybe an LED panel or with a different type of glass on top. I think there are no limitations of creativity on how you can use this and turn it into your own lamp. Looking forward to see that. And as always, please like and subscribe. That will help my channel to grow and make more amazing videos for everyone out there. Have fun with the video. Enjoy.
Now we have all the pieces cut with all the 45-degree miters. You can see on the top as well as on the side. It was a bit tricky to find something to hold them in place while gluing it together. Here you see me trying and fiddling around with some corner clamps, but it turned out it's not possible to use them. In hindsight, it would have been easier to use some rubber bands to hold all the pieces together while the glue is drying. Instead of using any clamps or any rubber bands or any sort of clamps, I decided to use wood glue for 90% of the surface that I'm going to glue, and add a dab of CA glue with some accelerator on the other side, and actually just press it together, hold it, and let the glue dry afterwards. And that turned out quite good, as it looks like it was clamped, so that was a success. Here you see my failed attempt of using the strap clamp. It was just too small for it, so it didn't really fit on the tightest setting, so I had to abandon that idea. To drill the actual hole for the lamp fixture, I used a Forstner bit and my newly purchased drill press from Bosch. I'm quite happy so far. I mean, it's you're getting what you're paying for. It's not the highest quality, it's wobbling a bit from time to time, but it definitely is doing the job, and I don't have a need for a super fancy drill press. Now finally the moment came that I was waiting for so long, like assembling the lamp for the first time. Since the hole is in now, I could put in the lamp fitting and also screw in the lamp, see how that looks like, and I was very pleased with the result. I only had to put on the chemical glass here, as you see, and it's screwed in and fixed in place. The last part of the whole lamp build was to actually wire the lamp, so putting in all the cables, fix it to the lamp fixture, put in the dimmer that I bought, and basically screw everything together so there's nothing soldered. It's like everything is a screw fixture in there, removing a lot of the insulation of the cable, putting them together, and that's about it. No rocket science. Two cables coming in, two cables going out to the lamp, and that's about it. I used some CA glue to actually put the fixture in place. I wasn't sure if I should use like hot glue or something else, but I decided to go for some CA glue, and that seems to do the trick. Looking back at the project and looking at what I would do different, I would definitely buy another cable. This cable turned out to be way too thick, so it's like a cord rope looking like cable. It's it's almost overkill for the lamp. It's also it was a bit tricky to get it close to the dimmer, because the input for the dimmer is way smaller, so only like the inner part of the cable is going in there. I had to use some CA glue to actually glue the loose outer lining of the cable to the inner cable part, which looks a bit ugly, and it just looks too fat. Other than that, I think I would have to spend a bit more time on really tuning the table saw for the 45-degree miters. The frame for the lamp was not the problem, but fitting in the lid with also 45-degree miters was a bit tricky, and I had some gaps that I filled with sawdust and wood glue. It turned out pretty okay at the end. You will not really see a difference, but that's something I would definitely keep in mind when building this lamp again. Plus, if I would do it again, I might go for some LED panel just to have a different look, and maybe I would do some frosted glass on the actual chemical glass part. That might look completely different, but it would be another exciting build. But for this one, I'm quite happy, or I'm very happy actually with the outcome of the lamp. Gonna use that as my nightstand lamp, and hopefully it will last for a while. Now you see me doing the scariest part of the whole build, gluing on the lid of the lamp, because now if something goes wrong inside with the cables, it's lost, right? So we can't open the box anymore after the lid is on. I mean, of course I tested it again if it works, if everything is okay, but still. So if now a cable falls out, the lamp, I need to saw it open. So that was kind of a scary moment. So taking off all the clamps, then giving it a very slight sand with 120 on all the sides, going over all the corners, like quickly sand them so that they're not sharp. And then I used Rubio Pure on this one. It's my go-to finish. Not sponsored, but it's like I really enjoy that finish, because you sand till 120. That's it. You put on one coat of Rubio and you're done. So it couldn't be easier, and I like things that are easy, and I don't have to spend like hours on like sanding, on putting on a layer, sanding it again, putting on another layer, and then I'm done. So this is a product that is very suited for me.